Today we're going to talk about how to back up the console data to USB. It is recommended to regularly back up console data to USB. The console has large but limited storage capacity. Use the Diagnostics mini view to view current available capacity. A warning screen displays if storage is reaching its limit. It is also recommended to back up console data prior to upgrading software or firmware. On the main run screen, select the Inventory Manager icon. Plug in the USB that you want to save the console data to. Select the From Console to USB icon. A Save to USB window is presented. We are going to select all inventory items. Inventory items are all the items you can see listed under the inventory category, like shown here. This includes vehicle and implement profiles. It also includes all client, farm, field and job data such as guidelines and boundaries. If VRC prescription maps are present on the console, these will also be backed up. A warning is presented stating that this action will back up the entire inventory to USB. If an item with the same name already exists on the share, which is the USB, do you want to skip or overwrite? Because we are doing a backup, you should select Overwrite. If you were only wanting to copy new files since the last backup, then you could select Skip so that existing files on the USB with the same name would not be overwritten. Select Overwrite and wait until the backup is complete and the progress bar shows 100%. Touch the green tick to close the backup window. It is important to safely eject the USB from the console to ensure you get a full backup of the inventory items. Now swipe up from the bottom of your console to access the console toolbar. Touch the Eject USB icon. A message to say the USB is now safe to remove will be presented. Touch the green tick to close the message and eject your USB. Touch the Inventory Manager icon to close the Inventory Manager and return to the run screen. To restore a backup, please refer to the video How to Import a Backup from USB to the Console. And that is how to back up the console data to USB. I hope you found this video helpful and have a nice day.